Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking permissions and opening Outlook. Make sure you use the account with mailbox access. In Outlook Desktop, go to Home, open Calendar from Address Book. In OA, click Calendar, add Calendar from Directory. Once done, search for the person by name and select their mailbox entry. If their calendar doesn't appear, send a sharing request now. Short message asking for reviewer or hire lets you see details. This begins the viewing process immediately. Once the calendar is added, you need to adjust how you view it and confirm permission levels. In Desktop Outlook, use View Overlay to stack calendars or uncheck to show side by side. In OWA, use the View selector for day, work week, or month. If you received a sharing invite, accept it and check folder permissions to confirm reviewer access. Make sure to refresh. Sync often takes seconds to minutes. These steps give you the right layout and access to see availability or details. To complete setup, double-check permissions and test by creating a dummy meeting to view free/busy responses. If you need more detail than free/busy provides, ask the owner for reviewer or delegate permissions. Delegates can respond and manage invites. If the calendar still won't show, clear the local Outlook cache or remove and re-add the calendar, and make sure Exchange sharing policies permit cross-organization visibility. If that fails, contact your IT admin to verify mailbox sharing settings. This one tip resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.